Alright everyone, welcome back to our channel. What are we making today?
So we bought bananas last week, and as you see, they're brown as hell. So why don't we make peanut butter banana brownies?
Yeah, that sounds easy enough.
Start by peeling 2 bananas and throwing it into your bowl. Mash those ripened nanners with a fork. Make sure not to over mash. I don't even know if that's a word, but you don't want to liquefy it. You just want it nicely mashed. Add the sugar, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk until combined. Now add your flour, cocoa powder, come on Heather, come on, and salt. Whisk until everything is well incorporated. Next, we're going to take our melted butter, our tablespoon of melted butter that we set aside, if you followed instructions, and we're going to brush the bottom of the pan. Now dust the bottom of the pan with some cocoa powder. This will help the brownies from not sticking to the pan after baking. Nothing worse than the brownie sticking and it coming out looking like crap. Next up is the hardest part. We're going to transfer the brownie mixture to the pan. Honestly, this is one of the easiest videos we've come out with. Now level the brownie with a spatula to make it nice and smooth and even. Now scoop in as much peanut butter as you want. We put 7 dollops in here. With a butter knife, you're going to spread out the peanut butter as best as you can. Try to get it everywhere so each bite has some peanut butter. Trust me, it's worth doing this. Finally, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the brownies cool for at least 15 minutes. You don't want burnt fingertippies. Now slice and dice them and rock and roll, baby! These brownies were pretty darn fudgy. They weren't too sweet and had a very nice amount of peanut butter. I rate it a perfect 5 out of 7. And they were so easy to make. Hit the like and subscribe button, bye!